Hello, good morning, children. Today we will start exercise 13.7. And in 13.7, we will use the volume of cone. Volume of cone is always equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. R you know, h you know. R is radius, h is height. And always remember 1 meter cube. Cube means we are finding volume. Meter cube, centimeter cube it's always volume. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter and 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Okay. So now first question number 1. Everyone can solve yourself. Find the volume of a right circular cone with radius. R is given 6 centimeter and height is given 7 centimeter. So you can find the volume of cone. Can you find? So first we will write, don't write R and H. You will write radius of cone, height of cone, then you write volume of cone. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 we know, pi 22 by 7, r 6 into 6, h is 7. And multiply it, and what is answer will come? It is coming centimeter cube. It's a volume. So do yourself, only you have to multiply in first question. Okay. Next is find the capacity in liter. Whenever examiner asks you, find the capacity in liter or kiloliter or milliliter. Okay. So always it's mean. Capacity mean how much water it can hold. Yes, many times you eat ice cream which is shaped in a cone. Yes, and we will fill the cone with ice cream. It's mean we are using its volume. So capacity mean how much what is its capacity? Capacity mean how much it can hold water, yeah, other material. Okay, so this one is capacity. So next is second question. Find the capacity in liter of conical vessel. The vessel is given conical whose radius is 7. So write radius of conical vessel. How much? 7 centimeter. And next is given slant height is given. Slant height of vessel 25 cm. Always remember in cone slant height and height are different. Yes, it is cone. Yes, everyone know it is cone. Yes, it is radius 7 and height is always shortest distance from the top to the center of the base. So it is height and it is L is slant height. Understand or not? So this is a triangle is like a right angle triangle, but we want to find capacity. Capacity mean volume. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. We need h, but it is given L. So we have to first find L. So we will write height of vessel is h. So always remember opposite of 90. We will use Pythagoras theorems. Opposite of 90 hypotenuse. So hypotenuse L square equal to h square plus r square. L is given 25 square. Next h we want to find, r 7 square. We want to find h square. 7 square another side minus 25 square 625. 7 square minus 49. So it is become h square equal to how much become? 576. But we want to find value of h. It is h square. Square how can we remove? By taking square root both side. Square root of both side. Yes. Square cancel to square root. H equal to square root of 576, 24 centimeter. We already learned in 12th chapter how to remove square root, okay, and in first chapter also. Now so it means h is 24. So we will write now, we want to find capacity. First, so it means first we will find volume of cone. How much? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7. Pi 22 by 7. R radius is 7 square. 7 into 7. H is 24. 7 cancel. 7. 3 cut ja 24. How much? 3 8 ja. So what is come? 8 22 multiply 7 into 8 56. Very important 22 tables. 22 6 ja 132. 22 5 ja 110 plus 13 123. This one centimeter. What is given? These are in centimeter or meter? These are given. So centimeter cube. We have to find capacity in liter. So right, capacity of vessel. Yes. So it means first we will find value of 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. 1000 another side divide 1 by 1000 liter. So 232 divided by 1000. So what is 1.23 liter? What is capacity of this one cone? 1.23 liter. Understand it? So same as it is, second part you can find. In second part, height is given and slant height is given. Height given and slant height given. We can find radius easily by using Pythagoras theorems. Okay. So Pythagoras theorems very important in the cone. Okay. Next is question number. Yes. Question number 3 and 4 both are same. We are doing question number 4. Okay. Question number 3 and 4 both are same. If the volume of the right circular cone, it is cone of height is 9. It is height is 9 and its volume 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter. If you want to find diameter, first we have to find radius. So we will write first height of cone. How much? 9 meter or centimeter? It is centimeter. Okay. Next, volume of cone 48 pi and volume always in centimeter cube. We have to find diameter. So right, let radius of cone, how much? R. If radius of cone is R, so now how will you find diameter? Look at, V observe, it is given volume. It is also volume. If it is volume given, we will put equal to its formula, because it is also volume, it is also volume. So both things are equal. So right, 48 pi equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, because it is the volume of the cone and it is the volume of the cone. Because so now pi another side, pi is another side, divide, so pi cancel pi. Okay. So now and 3 another side, multiply 48 into 3. Now r square, h is height is 9. Okay. So 9 another side, divide 48 into 3 divided by 9 equal to r square. 3 16. What is r square? R square is come, r square equal to 16. But we want to find r, so it means we should remove square. Square how can we remove? Taking square root both side, because we can apply both side same. We can multiply both side by same number, or we can multiply or divide by the same number but non-zero number. Square cancel to square root. R equal to square root of 16, 4. So what is radius is 4 centimeter. First we have to, but we have to find base. So right, diameter. We have to find the diameter of base. Is diameter always 2 times of r. 2 into 4. What is 8 centimeter. Same as it is in question number 3. Volume is given. You have to find a radius. But here we have find a diameter. Okay. So do this one. Next is next question is question number 5. A conical pit. Pit means a dig. So like this one, it is a conical pit. Like this one, it is a conical pit. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5. Top diameter is 3.5 meter. I think you can find yourself, okay? And it's 12 meter deep. How much? 12 meter deep mean it is 12 meter height. Understand? So what is the capacity in kiloliter? So capacity, so radius is given. Radius 3.5 divided by 2 because it is diameter given. So find 20, 30, remove decimal. So 5, 7 the 5, 4 the. What is radius? 7 by 4. And h is 12. So we have to find capacity. Capacity is volume. 1 by 3 pi r square h. R you know, h you know. You can find capacity. But we have to find capacity in kiloliter. So write capacity. Capacity of cone. Conical pit. Conical pit. How will you find? In kiloliter. Always remember 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? It means 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. You can look at here. 1000 liter equal to 1 kiloliter. 1000 liter equal to 1 meter cube. So it means 1 meter cube always equal to 1 kiloliter. 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. So first we will find volume. Suppose volume will come 38.5 meter cube. In 1 meter cube, 1 kiloliter. So what is total capacity in kiloliter? 1 multiply 38.5. So what is 38.5 kiloliter? Not liter, it is kiloliter. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. It is both are equal to 1000. It means 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay. So it is very simple. You can do. Next. Next question is, I think question number 6. Write, do yourself. The volume of right circular cone. Volume is given. Volume is 9856 centimeter. If it is volume given, so always we will put equal to its formula. And if the diameter of the base, so r is 22 divided by 2. How much? So radius is 14. So first height, we have to find height. So 1 by 3 pi r. So first part, find height. So put volume equal to its formula. 9856. Understand it? It is also centimeter. Yes. 1 by 3 you know. Pi 22 by 7. R 14 into 14 into h equal to 9856. From here, can you find height? Yes. 7 2 2. Now you can cut 20 to another side, divide. You can 20 for the table are very important. 20 for the 88. It is not cut. 22. Now yes, we can cut by 14. 14 7 98 0 4. Okay. And now again 20 3 because 20 to another side divide we can cut. So 23 66 2 16. So h will come 3 multiply another side 16 into 3 48 centimeter. So height will come 42. In the second part we have to find slant height. if you want to find slant height, height is given 48, radius is 14, L we can find. Slant height how will you find? L square equal to h square plus r square. So L square, h is 48 square, r is 14 square. Solve it. 48 square is how much? 2304 plus 196. So how much become? It is become 2500, and its mean, so L square equal to come 2500. So we want to find value of L taking square root. When we taking square root, it is come 50. So what is L? L will come 50. It is very simple. You can do yourself. Okay. Now is third part. In third part of sixth question, what is given? We have to find curved surface area. So it means CSA of cone. What is formula? Pi r L. Pi you know, r is 14, L is slant height 50 is already given. So solve yourself this question also. Okay. Next is question number 6 and 7 both are same. Only 7 I explain only 7 question and 8 you will do yourself. Okay. Question number 7, it is given a right triangle ABC with side 5, 12 and 13. It is given a right angle triangle. Right angle mean one angle is 90 degree, everyone know. 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. A, B, C. In the question is given, if a right angle triangle ABC and sides are 5, 12 and 13 is revolved about the side 12 centimeter, find the volume of the solid. Okay, find the volume of the solid. Look at, you have to imagine in this one. In this question, 1 second. We have to some imagination need in this question. What is 1 second? Yes, it is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle whose side are 5, it is 5, it is 12 and it is 13. In the question is given, we have to revolve around 12 centimeter. It is 12, so it is 12 or not? So like this one we will revolve, like this one we will rotate. And when we rotate like this, and if we rotate this triangle, revolved around the side 5, 12 and 13. If we suppose it is a triangle, okay, and when we revolved like this one, yes, what is become? Can you imagine what is become? It is become a, like this one, it is become a cone, because it is become like this one. Yes, it is become like, it is 5, it is 12. When we rotate like this one, it is given, it is 12 centimeter. So like this one, it is 5 centimeter given. So it means it is become radius like this one, and its height it's 12, and its this third side is become L, slant height. When we revolve this triangle around the 12 meter side of the triangle like this one, so it is become a cone. Now you have to find the volume of the solid. Understand or not? So it is, so we will write, so you can write, when we revolve around the side 12 centimeter, then radius of solid is become, it is 5 centimeter. Okay, and height of solid, yes, it is 12 centimeter. Understand or not? And what we have to find the volume. So right, so volume everyone know. So volume of solid, solid is with which shape? It is shape in cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value is given, no? So 22 by 7 r square. R is 5 into 5 and h is 12. Yes, so 3 4. So you will multiply 5 5 ja 25 into 400. So it will become 2200 divided by 7 centimeter cube. It is the volume of solid. Understand it? Can you imagine the figure when we revolve this triangle around this side like this one? It is become a cone. Okay. Now next question. In the next question is given, if the triangle ABC in the question 7, a triangle which is given in the question number 7 is revolved about the side 5. First we revolved around the 12. Now we will revolve. It is 5 centimeter and it is 12 centimeter. It is 13 centimeter. Okay. And now we are revolved around the 5. So now we will around. So it means it is become like this one. Now radius is, it is become, height is same. So we will revolve like this one. It is become 5. It is 12 and now 13. Here radius in the first question radius is become 5, but here radius 12. Here height is 12, but in second question height is 5. So we have to find the also. To find the volume. So we will find the volume of this one. So volume, I think you can find. Question number 8. It is. Now we will revolve around. It is 13. Around revolve 5 centimeter is 12. So it is become. So volume, what is? Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Understand it? And 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r 12. 12 into 12 into h is h is 5. Yes. So what is? You can find 3 4. Now 12 5 are 60. 16 to 4 20, 224 214. So we will find it's like this one. So it is answer will come and divide by 7. It is answer 22 0 22 for the 88 22 to the 60 44 52 by 7 centimeter cube. Understand it? Now we have to find second part. Find the ratios of volume of the two solid. So in question number 2, ratio how will you find? So ratios of their volume. So their volume you can write first this one. First you can take this one 1 by 3 pi. Radius in the both are different. So 1 by 3 pi r1 square. Otherwise what is volume of this one? 22007 divide by 5280 divided by 7. So it is become 220 divided by 7 into 7 divided. Yes, 7 cancel 7, 0 cancel 0. Now 22 1 ja, 22 2 ja, 22 4 ja. Now 2 5 12. So what is ratio? 5 12. 12. So what is ratio of their volume? 5:12. Understand? So do yourself this question. Okay. Now only last question is remain, eighth question, and eighth question is very simple. Do your ninth question. Do yourself. What is its question? Only I explained it little bit and do yours. A heap of wheat. So it means when we put the wheat on the ground, so it is become like this one shape or not? Wheat also in shape. A heap of the wheat in the form of cone whose diameter is given 10.5 and height is given 3. So we have to find volume. So volume you can find. What is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 you know, pi you know, r it is diameter given, we can find r, and h is given. Yes. And first we will find its volume. In the next, the heap is to be covered. It is the heap of the wheat, okay, and you want to covered by the canvas. Canvas means cloth. To protect it from the rain, find the area of canvas. Yes, if it is a heap and when you will cover the heap with cloth, so cloth we will use only the outer side. In the bottom, no need of the cloth. On the outer side or not? So it means we will find curved surface area of cone. How will you find? Pi r l. Curved surface area pi r l. Pi given, r given. R is given, so how can you find L? By using of Pythagoras theorems, and you can do this question yourself. Okay, so this our exercise is finished. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Good day.